Son rap for all my niggas in the back.
This whole mind frame's got me messed up, realizing that there's no cleat to tie up. I'm the captain of my own vessel, and the rampage is not enough. I double stuff like Oreos and send you down the river to find a cup of righteousness. Please save us, save up for that mansion and a place to rust. Cause I'm rusty with it, but I race faster than Rusty Wallace in the Ford Taurus with the gas diminished. I'm a bastard, but I sense a ladder is not the happiest defense. I defend my craft and lace up. Keep the dukes the same way, cause I'm swinging like Canelo, about to get faced up. Kick the dirt off your boots and wake up. I'm the Joker to your Wayne kid. I'm the flame to the candle that needs replacing. Never burn out, stay brighter than the tractor beam of your spaceship. Like a cobra trying to strike to take this. I spit like venom, does your girl taste it? I'm a Caucasian killing this industry, no racist. I'm blessed but more intuitive than a facelift. God, how many faces can take this? Cyanide laced with inspirational quotes from your suicide playlist. Play me, I dare you to attempt to recreate this.
Hop on the jet and get hell sent. Hop on the jet and get hell sent. Hop on the jet and get hell sent. Hop on the jet and get hell sent.
Yeah. 22 have left me, heaven never seeming empty. Bribe me for the newest levy, dropping taxes like this axe is cutting down every apple tree Johnny ever planted in this nation. Damn, I'm feeling shaky with the next step, something to replace me. I'm a fiend for the volunteer navy. Shoot me down, pick me up, but you can never fucking replace me. Ghostwrite, bitch, you can thank me. I'm a bastard with that hat's turned to the side to block the lies that she has coming at me way too heavy. Heavy D is still in that damn limousine, speaking history because you listening to his story. Glad that your true colors show, cause now I'm laughing hysterically. Like a mission, my position speaks something somewhat heavenly. Innuendos for the ladies while I'm speaking something so legendary. I'm the milkman and your mom's really about to purchase a secondary.
You can bet me, you can bet me, you can bet me, you can bet me.